Ear-splitting. A sound that is very, very loud. The music was ear-splitting at the party. The baby's cry was ear-splitting. Hit the jackpot. To win a big prize or get very lucky. They hit the jackpot in the lottery. He hit the jackpot when he found that house. Worn out. Very tired. She feels worn out from running. He was worn out after the long trip. Watch out. Be careful. Watch out, the floor is wet. Watch out, a car is coming. Pouring down. Raining very hard. It is pouring down outside. I got wet because it was pouring down. Get butterflies. To feel nervous or excited. He gets butterflies before meeting new people. I get butterflies before my first day at a new job. Hang tight. To wait before doing anything. Hang tight, I'll be back soon. Hang tight, the bus is coming. Being slammed. Being very busy and having too much work. I am being slammed with homework today. She is being slammed at the office. Freak out. To get very scared, upset, or excited. He freaked out after losing his keys. She freaked out when she saw a spider. Fill in. To give someone a quick update. Please fill me in on the meeting. He filled me in on the news.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!